Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. I always loved Chinese takeout, but years ago, I started making them from scratch. Besides wonton soup, egg rolls, crab rangoon, mushu, General Tso chicken, Singapore noodles, and more, here's another famous one: orange chicken. With a lovely sweet and tangy orange sauce with crispy fried chicken pieces, this is a recipe that will be on your rotation menu. So let's get cooking. The first step is to make the sauce. In a large measuring cup, we'll add orange juice, freshly squeezed or from the bottle. Either one is fine. Some brown sugar, honey, and use my trick when dealing with sticky ingredients. A couple tablespoons of rice vinegar, some low-sodium soy sauce, followed by a little sesame oil and red pepper flakes. We'll whisk the ingredients, making sure they're nicely blended, and set aside for now. Alright, next is the batter. In a mixing bowl, we'll add flour, some cornstarch, ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Same here, we'll whisk the ingredients until well mixed. In another bowl, we'll combine a large egg with a tablespoon of oil and whisk to blend. Here, we have a couple chicken breasts, although they can be substituted with thighs. And what we'll do is to simply cut them into bite-sized pieces. Something similar to this. Now, when we're done cutting the meat, we'll place the cubes into our egg mixture and toss to coat. You can use a spoon, but I prefer using my hand. Yes, clean hand. Next step is to take the coated chicken pieces and, working in batches, we'll dredge them so they're nicely coated as well and shake off any excess flour before placing them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. When we're finished with it, we're ready to fry. In a heavy bottom skillet, we'll heat up about 4 cups of canola oil. And when the temperature reaches between 350 to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, working in batches, we'll carefully add the chicken pieces. Using a spider strainer, we'll flip them often and fry the pieces until light golden and crispy. This process should take about 2 minutes. We'll transfer them to a wire rack sitting on a baking sheet lined with paper towels. We'll set them aside while frying another batch. They're not ready yet, and we'll refry them again, so don't worry. You'll see. When they're all done, we'll increase the temperature to 385 degrees Fahrenheit and fry these little guys again. We're double frying, that's what we're doing. What it does is to give the pieces a nice golden brown color and also make them crispier. It's important to do the double frying when tossing them in a sauce because we still want to have nice crispy pieces. Still, working in batches, we'll fry them for a couple minutes, then transfer them to the same wire rack to drain and dry as well, while double frying another batch. Now, let's make the sauce. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add 1 tablespoon of canola oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add minced ginger and pressed garlic. You know the drill. We'll saute the ingredients for only 1 minute before pouring in our orange sauce mixture that we made earlier. We'll increase the heat to medium-high, give a nice stir, and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add orange zest, lots of it, and stir it into the mixture until blended. Then we'll add the cornstarch mixture and stir until the sauce thickens. Oh, that should take a big 45 seconds. I'm not kidding, it's that fast. We'll now add the fried chicken pieces and toast them until nicely coated with our beautiful orange sauce. We'll serve immediately with a side of rice, sprinkled with some sesame seeds and garnished with chopped green onions. And my friends, this is our orange chicken. This fabulous dish is undeniably one of the most popular Chinese takeout items. But with this recipe, you can now make it at home. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!